How do traditional governance systems preserve history? Have you ever wondered how communities keep their history alive through generations? Traditional governance systems are key players in this process. These systems, often rooted in indigenous cultures, play an important role in preserving history. They do this through unique approaches to governance, cultural practices, and community involvement. Cultural continuity is a major aspect of traditional governance. These systems are built on long-standing practices and knowledge passed down through generations. This ensures that historical practices and traditions are not only maintained but also respected. Community involvement is another essential feature. In traditional governance, active participation from community members is common. This collective engagement helps preserve cultural heritage and memory. Decisions are often made collaboratively, respecting the community's historical context. Environmental stewardship is also significant in these systems. Many indigenous governance structures emphasize a strong relationship with nature. This includes preserving natural resources and respecting the environment. Such practices not only conserve biodiversity but also maintain historical ecological knowledge. Rituals and symbolic practices are often woven into governance. These rituals are frequently connected to historical events or cultural beliefs. They serve as a way to preserve and pass on historical knowledge to future generations. Storytelling and oral traditions play a vital role too. In many indigenous cultures, history is shared through stories. Elders tell tales that contain historical information, cultural values, and governance principles. This method keeps the community's history vibrant and alive. Land management is another area where traditional governance shines. These systems focus on sustainable practices developed over centuries. These practices are based on historical observations and adaptations to local environmental conditions. This approach preserves both the land and the knowledge associated with it. In practical terms, traditional governance systems can be applied in modern cultural resource management. By incorporating indigenous knowledge into conservation efforts, communities can preserve historical sites and cultural artifacts. This respects the community's historical connection to the land. Additionally, recognizing and supporting traditional governance systems can help communities work towards decolonization and self-determination. This means acknowledging the historical rights and practices of indigenous peoples. It allows them to manage their lands and resources according to their traditional governance systems. The focus on sustainability and environmental stewardship in these systems offers a model for modern conservation efforts. By respecting historical ecological practices, communities can maintain biodiversity and ensure sustainable use of natural resources. In the context of societal evolution and cultural ecology anthropology, traditional governance systems serve as a bridge between past and present. They preserve history while addressing contemporary challenges. These systems provide a unique perspective on governance that prioritizes community involvement, environmental sustainability, and cultural continuity.